Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jamin. In today's video, we were going to do a request makeup tutorial. Because a lot of people are asking, how do I do my makeup? Now, you will learn how I do it, but with a twist. So since not all of us started in makeup na may instant tools, so I decided to do a makeup tutorial na walang brush, walang puff, walang sponge. Wow! So if you're interested to know on how I do this makeup look, sit back and let's get started! Okay, now tapos na tayo sa skincare and also nag-apply na rin ako ng sunscreen. We will proceed sa foundation. We were going to skip the primer. Unfortunately, if you guys use primers, go ahead, use your primers. But for me, I'm going to skip the primer just for my personal skincare reasons. It's not that I don't need a primer. It's just that I don't think a primer is healthy for our skin for everyday use. But if you wanted to know more why I don't use a primer, just comment down below so we can make a separate video about it. So now we're going to proceed to the first step that I do before my makeup. First, I moisturize my lips. I use Eucerin Aquaphor Soothing Skin Balm. To me, this is a very, very versatile product. You can use this on your lips, your skin. This is a hardcore moisturizing. Okay, next we are going to proceed with the BB creams. To have the dewy skin or what they say, glass skin, hindi lang siya nagpo-focus on the skincare. But also, you can use products to make your skin look glass skin. So we have two options. For my young subscribers, you have an option for the younger skin, and this is for mature skin. So we are going to use the Face Shop Power Perfection BB Cream in Natural Beige. So I usually use half pump lang or lesser than that kasi a little goes a long way. So now we're gonna move on to hiding our impurities kasi you can see marami pang mga spots, dark circles, and mga blemishes right here. So we should do something about it. So what I love to use under my eyes is the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer with Goji Berry Haloxyl. This product is perfect for people who has mature skin, especially it covers the dark circles under your eyes. It doesn't cling to your fine lines. So what I normally do, pinapress ko lang siya dito, and then I use my ring finger to press the product in because I don't want to rub it. Otherwise, magpo-progress yung wrinkles mo. Now, na-cover niyo na yung malapanda kong mata. Now, we're proceeding sa pag-cover naman ng mga dark blemishes. This one suits for the younger skin. So, you can use this in covering your dark circles as well. But for me, I'm going to use it sa mga blemishes. Blend lang natin siyang ganyan. I-press lang natin ang i-press. Okay, instant flawless. Now, mag-proceed tayo sa eyes. So we're going to use a primer in the eyes. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to use a primer sa ating eyelids kasi my eyelids is super duper oily. As soon as I put a product in my eyelids, it's gone. So now we're going to use the Etude House primer. So for the eyeshadows, we are going to use Etude House brand again. Look at my eyes in the shade of OR203. This product is obviously my favorite. As you can see, na-hit pan na ako. Ang dami-dami kong eyeshadows, but I just gravitates to this shadow. This one, I bought it from Korea. I saw a girl, a sales lady, who's wearing this product. Till now, I really love this and I'm panicking kasi I cannot find this anymore sa online store. So what I would do is like press it in as well, like that. And then go back to the pan and then get some more and then focus in here. So I'm gonna do it to the other side. So we're going to do the under eye as well. Okay, now we're going to proceed to the eyeliner. I use eyeliner every day. I don't know, it's just that my eyes looks brighter, looks popping out, and looks alive pag may eyeliner. Sometimes my eyes is like drooping like that. It's like para kang natutulog every time. So I know for some people, ang paglalagay ng eyeliner is pretty hard. But no, it is really easy. So, ang ginagawa ko, ganito. I press my eyes na pataas. And then, I start from here. And draw a line. And then, let's draw a line from the bottom going up. That's yung in between, let's just fill it in. So let's do it to the other side naman. Okay, that. After mo sa other side, start from at the middle, going towards to dun sa kung saan ka nag-start. So now, pantay na sila. So, we're gonna leave the inner corner alone. Hindi na natin siya lalagyan ng ink. Also, I forgot we used the Face Shop Ink Graphy Liquid Eyeliner in full brown. So now we're going to proceed sa next step. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, my eyebrow is microbladed, meaning this one is not a real eyebrow. This is tattooed. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na microbladed siya is I don't put effort on it. For normal everyday makeup like this, so we are going to use the Pony Effect Eyebrow in shade Deep Brown. I used to enjoy doing my eyebrows. It's just that hindi naman always tayo merong time to do our eyebrows ng ganung katagal. It's not that I got tired doing it. It's just that do everything you can to maximize your time. Okay, now we're done with the eyebrows. Now, this is one of my favorite part as well, doing illusions. So, we were going to contour. So for the contour, we will be using Etude House again. Look at my eyes, shade HG005. So we're gonna start here. Kunwari V-shape, eme. And also here. So you can put contour here as well. Oh, tak. Payatola. Also, kung meron kang big forehead just mine, takpan natin yan para hindi puntahan ng eroplano. I think for me, it's useless doing this kasi may bangs ako. But for people na walang bangs, yeah, at merong ganitong problema katulad ng aking forehead, binihiyaan ng magandang forehead, you can do this. Now the best part is sa nose. So what I do, pag fingers ko lang ang gagamitin ko, I use, again, my ring finger, pat it like this side, and then press it dito sa side ng nose mo where you wanna do a bridge illusion. Do it on the other side naman. Don't forget na dapat until sa eyebrows yung contour para it looks a little bit real. Okay, for the mascara, ang gagamitin natin is Max Factor Lash Crown Full Long Defined Lashes. Ang the best dyan is yung bristles niya eh. Kasi sa other side is for the upper lashes and then the other side naman is for the lower lashes. For the eyes, we're gonna make an illusion na parang may pagka-wide siya in cat eyes, but at the same time, not really so much dramatic. Yung tipong confuse yung tao kung naka-falsies ka or naka-natural lashes ka lang. So we're going to use yung top. You just start in the middle. So towards to the right. And then, let's do that to other side. And then we're gonna use the bottom brush for the bottom lashes. Only in the corner. Now, do you see the difference? Wow! So we're aiming for the cat eye. And then let's do it to the other side as well. Okay, now we're done with the mascara. I really love it. Okay, next, we are going to highlight the points of our eyes para medyo naman glowy ang itsura. So we're going to use the Misha Ital Prism number 11 eyeshadow. Actually, this one is a versatile product as well. You can use this as a highlighter or you can use this as your eyeshadow. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use my small pinky finger and press it there. Then put it in here. Kasi it doesn't mean naman you're in an everyday makeup look, but you have no right to glow, girl. You have to glow. Okay, perfect. Next, so we're gonna put it in our skin where we wanted to have some glow. So I'm going to start here sa forehead. Here. Also on top of our lips. And then, let's not forget the tip of our nose. And our nose bridge. Love it, so blinding. Okay, next product that we're going to use is the blush on. For our blush ons, I'd like to use for the natural look a tint blushes kasi mas long-lasting siya and also mas natural ang looking niya. So we're going to use the Face Shop number 4 Red Up Watery Tint. So ang ginagawa ko, I put some product right here. And then I use my ring finger again. Tap it there and then put product in my nose. Starting from my nose. So now we're done with the blush on. Let's proceed to the lips. Since there's a lot of things going on in our face, so the lips I prefer to use lip gloss. We will be using the Naked Up Face in the shade of 02. So now we're going to use a setting spray. We're going to use the Nature Republic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Mist. Okay, that's the last step. I will be back and see you in a bit. Tutorial for today. But before we end this video, guys, I would like to thank you so much for all the love and support that you have given me. I wanted you to know, mga Vevs, that I appreciate every reaction, every messages, every comment, every subscription. Right now, I'm still overwhelmed sa support, sa encouragement that I got when I released my second and third video. Kayo guys, yung nag-i-inspire sa akin to do more videos. And dahil dyan, group hug! If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below if you have requests, or share this video to others if gusto nyo lang naman. Or subscribe if hindi pa kayo subscribe. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. I love you, mga Vevs. Stay pretty, smile, and slay!